Hello friends. This is the 5-volt relay which we are going to break to see what is inside it. Let's start breaking the casing. Now remove the cover. This is what we see after removing the casing. This is top side of the relay. This metal strip is the common contact. This is the NC that is normally connect. This is coil of the relay. This pin is connected to coil. This strip is connected to common contact pin. This is bottom side of the relay. These are the coil pins. This is common pin. This is NC pin. This is NO pin. See the contact point where NC is connected to common. We have connected the 5-volt supply to the coil. And now we are going to operate it. Now see the contact switching between NO that is normally open to normally closed. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video then hit like button, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good time.